This iconic superstar is a South Korean singer, actor, songwriter, dancer, and record producer. Rain's musical career includes 7 albums, 28 singles, and numerous concert tours around the world. Rain started in his first English-language film, playing racer Taejo Tukukan in Speed Racer. He then made his starring role debut in Ninja Assassins in 2009. Rain has received numerous accolades for his work in both music and acting, including 6 Mnet Asian Music Awards, 3 Golden Disc Awards, 9 KBS Drama Awards, and 2 Baksang Arts Awards. In 2008, he was ranked 3rd among 100 leaders of Korean entertainment industry and was named one of Time's 100 most influential people in the world in 2006 and 2011. Ladies and gentlemen, AIFFA 2023 is proud to bestow Rain of South Korea the AIFFA 2023 ASEAN Inspiration Award.
Ladies and gentlemen, the ASEAN Inspiration Award recipient, Rain. Apa kabar? First of all, thanks to my fans and thanks to AIFFA and thanks to the Honorable Dato Karim. Thank you so much. I'm so happy to be here. It's my honor. And 감사합니다. 네, 그리고 일단 초대해 주셔서 진심으로 감사하고요. 여러분들과 함께 있는 이 시간이 굉장히 소중하고 또 아주 좋은 추억으로 네, 생각하도록 하겠습니다. 네, 감사합니다.
Thank you so much for inviting me. Today's been a very special night, spending time with all of you. And once again, thank you so much.
Rain, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations. And thank you to the Honorable Minister, and thank you, Mr. Jeffrey Amin.